is really fun to learn if one of your classmates named Trisha Doshi had willingly involved and gave her valuable time to frame around 80 to 90 MCQs of chapter number 4, list and table handling in HTML. Let's appreciate her effort by going through each and every question she had come up with in this video lecture.
Hello everyone. Hope you all are safe. Before we start, let me give you my introduction first. Myself, Doshi Trisha, and I am studying in St. Xavier School in Bhuj. I am greatly thankful to Nuzat ma'am to give me this big opportunity to represent myself on this great platform. Let me also give you a brief idea about why did I choose computer subject in my very important 10th standard. So the reason behind it is very simple. Computer is a subject which takes us very close to the developed world. Today, science and technology has progressed a lot and computer is an example of it. Therefore, I choose computer subject. So let us begin with our today's session which is about the important MCQs of chapter 4 list and table handling in HTML. Question 1. There are dash basic types of list in HTML. A2, B3, C4, D5. The correct answer is B3. Question 2. Which of the following are types of list in HTML? A. Ordered list, B. Unordered list, C. Descriptive list, D. All of this. The correct answer is D. All of this. Question 3. Which of the following is specified by UL tag in HTML? A. Undefined list, B. Unclear list, C. Unordered list, D. Unrestricted list. The correct answer is C. Unordered list. Question 4. An unordered list contains item along with a dash. Option A. Alphabet, B. Roman number, C. Symbol, D. All of this. The correct answer is C. Symbol. Question 5. Symbol in unordered list is also called as dash. A. Sign, B. Emblem, C. Bullet, D. Logo. The correct answer is C. Bullet. Question 6. To create an unordered list in HTML, the dash tag pair is used. A. DL tag pair, B. OL tag pair, C. UL tag pair, D. LI tag pair. The correct answer is C. UL tag pair. Question 7. Which attribute of list is used to change the bullet shape? A. Type, B. Name, C. Start, D. None of this. The correct answer is A. Type. Question 8. The default shape of bullet in unordered list is dash. A. Circle, B. Square, C. Rectangle, D. Disc or filled circle. The correct answer is D. Disc or filled circle. Question 9. Which of the following is used to show an unfilled circle as a bullet in unordered list? A. UL type equals to circle, B. UL type equals to unfilled circle, C. UL type equals to disc, D. None of this. The correct answer is A. UL type equals to circle. Question 10. Which of the following is used to show a filled circle as a bullet in unordered list? A. UL type equals to circle, B. UL type equals to disc, C. UL type equals to filled circle, D. None of this. The correct answer is B. UL type equals to disc. Question 11. The items of the list are enclosed within the dash tag pair. A. LH tag pair, B. LI tag pair, C. IL tag pair, D. None of this. The correct answer is B. LI tag pair. Question 12. What is the full form of LI in LI tag? A. Lost item, B. Last item, C. Leave item, D. List item. The correct answer is D. List item. Question 13. Which of the following you cannot use for bullets in unordered list in HTML? A. Circle, B. Disc, C. Square, D. Alphabet. The correct answer is D. Alphabet. Question 14. Which of the following tag pairs are used to print list without bullets, or which tag is used when you do not want any bullet or numbering in list? A. OL tag pair, B. UL tag pair, C. DL tag pair, D. None of this. The correct answer is C. DL tag pair. Question 15. In DL tag, DL is the abbreviated form of which of the following? A. Decision list, B. Discussion list, C. Description list, D. Describe list. The correct answer is C. Description list. Question 16. In description list, DT and DD is the abbreviated form of which of the following? A. Definition terms, definition data, B. Description terms, description data, C. Discrimination terms, discrimination data, D. Different terms, different data. The correct answer is B. Description terms, description data. Question 17. Which tag is used to add items in descriptive list? A. DT tag pair, B. DD tag pair, C. DL tag pair, D. None of this. The correct answer is A. DT tag pair. Question 18. Which tag is used to add sub-items in descriptive list? A. DT tag pair, B. DD tag pair, C. DL tag pair, D. None of this. The correct answer is B. DD tag pair. Question 19. Where the heading of list must appear? A. Between the list, B. After the list, C. Before the list, D. At any place in the list. The correct answer is C. Before the list. Question 20. Which tag is used to provide heading of a list? A. Heading tag, B. H1 tag, C. LH tag, D. H6 tag. The correct answer is C. LH tag. Question 21. Which tag is used to add items in the list? A. LD tag pair, B. LH tag pair, C. LT tag pair, D. LI tag pair. The correct answer is D. LI tag pair. Question 22. An ordered list contains items along with dash instead of bullets. A. Numbers, B. Alphabets, C. Bullet, D. Option A or B. The correct answer is D. Option A or B. Question 23. Which of the following is specified by OL tag in HTML? A. Ordinary list, B. Ordered list, C. Organized list, D. None of this. The correct answer is B. Ordered list. Question 24. Which of the following is the default value with which the ordered list starts? A. 0, B. 1, C. Roman 1, D. A. The correct answer is B. 1. Question 25. Which of the following value cannot be used in ordered list? A. Numbers, B. Alphabets, C. Roman numbers, D. Symbols. The correct answer is D. Symbols. Question 26. Which of the following can be changed in an ordered list in HTML? A. Order of the items, B. Start number, C. Number style, D. All of this. The correct answer is D. All of this. Question 27. How many possible values for the type attribute of ordered list? A3, B4, C5, D6. The correct answer is C5. Question 28. Which kind of values can we give to type attribute in tag? A. Number, B. Alphabets, C. Roman numbers, D. All of this. The correct answer is D. All of this. Question 29. Dash attribute is used to start the ordered list with a specified number. A. Type, B. Start, C. Begin, D. Create. The correct answer is B. Start. Question 30. What will be the output of OL type equals to Roman 1 start equals to 10? The correct answer is D. Question 31. A list within a list is called dash. A. Nesting list, B. Nested list, C. Option A or B, D. All of this. The correct answer is C. Option A or B. Question 32. Dash in HTML are efficient in presenting structured information. A. List, B. Table, C. Both A and B, D. None of this. The correct answer is B. Table. Question 33. A dash contains information separated in form of grids. A. Chart, B. Column, C. Table, D. Book. The correct answer is C. Table. Question 34. The information in a table can be presented in form of dash. A. Starting and ending, B. Vertical and horizontal, C. Rows and columns, D. Parallel and perpendicular. The correct answer is C. Rows and columns. Question 35. The first tag that is used to define a table is dash tag. A. tr tag, B. td, C. th, D. table. The correct answer is D. table. Question 36. The first row of a table is dash, which is denoted by dash. A. Table row, tr tag, B. Heading row, th tag, C. Table data, td tag, D. Paragraph, p tag. The correct answer is B. Heading row, th tag. Question 37. Which of the following tag pairs are used to define a row of a table? A. tr tag pair, B. td tag pair, C. th tag pair, D. row tag pair. The correct answer is A. tr tag pair. Question 38. Which tag is used to enter data in row of the table? A. tr tag pair, B. td tag pair, C. th tag pair, D. row tag pair. The correct answer is B. td tag pair. Question 39. Which of the following attribute is used to specify border of the table? A. Stroke, B. Line, C. Border, D. Stripe. The correct answer is C. Border. Question 40. The width of the border of the table is given in dash form. A. Percentage, B. Pixel, C. Both A and B, D. None of this. The correct answer is B. Pixel. Question 41. Which attribute controls the presentation of outer borders of table? A. dir, B. frame, C. width, D. border. The correct answer is B. frame. Question 42. Which of the following attribute controls presentation of inner borders of table? A. width, B. height, C. rules, D. align. The correct answer is C. rules. Question 43. Which attribute of table is used to leave specified gap between edges of the cells and their content? A. Cell spacing, B. Cell padding, C. Call span, D. row span. The correct answer is B. Cell padding. Question 44. Which attribute of table is used to manage space between each cell of the table? A. Cell spacing, B. Cell padding, C. Call span, D. row span. The correct answer is A. Cell spacing. Question 45. Which attribute of table is used to specify the direction of text that is displayed in the table? A. Frame, B. rules, C. summary, D. dir. The correct answer is D. dir. Question 46. Which attribute of table is used to present description of table? A. Frame, B. rules, C. summary, D. dir. The correct answer is C. summary. Question 47. Border attribute of the table will create a border around the dash. A. Table, each individual cell, C. both A and B, D. none of this. The correct answer is C. both A and B. Question 48. The border attribute with value 0 means dash border will be visible. A. Thin, B. invisible, C. no, D. clear. The correct answer is C. no. Question 49. Which attribute is used to specify the background color in the table? A. Color, B. Background, C. Body color, D. BG color. The correct answer is D. BG color. Question 50. What can be the value of the BG color attribute of the table? A. Color name, B. 6 digits hexadecimal code, C. option A or B, D. none of this. The correct answer is C. option A or B. Question 51. The value specified in percentage in the cell padding and cell spacing attribute refers to percentage of the width of each dash of the table. A. column, B. row, C. cell, D. none of this. The correct answer is C. Cell. Question 52. What can be the value of the cell padding and cell spacing attribute of the table? A. Pixels, B. Percentage, C. Option A or B, D. Number. The correct answer is C. Option A or B. Question 53. The align attribute specifies the dash of the content of all the cells in a dash. A. Direction, column, B. Arrangement, table, C. Position, row, D. Length, table. The correct answer is C. Position, row. Question 54. How many possible values for the align attribute of table? A2, B3, C4, D5. The correct answer is D5. Question 55. What is the direction of the default case for normal text? A left, B right, C center, D bottom. The correct answer is A left. Question 56. What is the direction of the default case for headings in HTML table? A left, B right, C top, D center. The correct answer is D center. Question 57. Dash manages the cell content to be aligned around the first instance of the specified character. A v-align, B char, C character, D ABBR. The correct answer is B char. Question 58. The character for the char value in align attribute is dash. A axis character, B basic character, C align character, D normal character. The correct answer is A axis character. Question 59. The default character of char value in align attribute is dash. A binary, B bin, C decimal, D hexadecimal. The correct answer is C decimal. Question 60. The decimal point as a char for alignment is dash for the existing decimal figure. A comma, B dot, C semicolon, D colon. The correct answer is B dot. Question 61. The v-align attribute specifies the dash alignment of the content of cell. A horizontal, B vertical, C straight, D perpendicular. The correct answer is B vertical. Question 62. How many possible values for the v-align attribute of table? A3, B4, C5, D6. The correct answer is B4. Question 63. The value of dash in v-align attribute is used to align the content in the center of a cell. A between, B middle, C center, D center. The correct answer is B middle. Question 64. The value of dash in v-align attribute is used to align content so that the first line of text in each cell starts on the same horizontal line. A bottom, B baseline, C center, D middle. The correct answer is B baseline. Question 65. By default, content of th tag is displayed in dash font. A italics, B bold, C underline, D none of this. The correct answer is B bold. Question 66. The content of a TD tag is aligned in which of the following direction? A left, B right, C middle, D top. The correct answer is A left. Question 67. Which of the following provides an abbreviated version of the content of the cell? A no rep, B abbreviate, C ABBR, D v-align. The correct answer is C ABBR. Question 68. Which attribute of th and td tag stops text from automatically wrapping into a new line within the cell? A no rep, B abbreviate, C ABBR, D v-align. The correct answer is A no rep. Question 69. Which of the following attribute is used when a cell spans across more than one row? A col span, B row span, C span, D scope. The correct answer is B row span. Question 70. Which of the following attribute indicates number of columns that the cell spans across? A char, B col span, C no rep, D row span. The correct answer is B col span. Question 71. Which tag is used to give name to the table? A heading, B title, C caption, D name. The correct answer is C caption. Question 72. Which of the following is an optional entity in an HTML table? A. Heading, B. Title, C. Caption, D. Name. The correct answer is C. Caption. Question 73. Dash indicates the purpose of the table. A. Table heading, B. Table title, C. Table caption, D. Table name. The correct answer is D. Table name. Question 74. Most of the browsers display the contents of the caption dash the table on a centered fashion. A. Below, B. Above, C. Left, D. Bottom. The correct answer is B. Above. Question 75. When you add a table inside a table, the inner table is also known as what? A. Inner table, B. Nested table, C. Inside table, D. Layer table. The correct answer is B. Nested table. Question 76. Using what can we combine multiple web pages and display them as a single web page? Or what divides a browser into several parts or sub-windows? A. Frame tag pair, B. Frame set tag pair, C. Frame src tag pair, D. Frame source tag pair. The correct answer is A. Frame tag pair. Question 77. A collection of frames in the browser window is known as dash. A. Frame, B. Frame set, C. Frame src, D. Frame source. The correct answer is B. Frame set. Question 78. Within a frame set, each frame is represented by a dash tag pair. A. Frame source tag pair, B. Frame set tag pair, C. Frame tag pair, D. Frame src tag pair. The correct answer is C. Frame tag pair. Question 79. Which of the following is used to display an alternative content in case a browser does not support frames? Or which element is used to provide an alternative message for users when the browser does not support frames? A. No frame, B. Cancel frame, C. False frame, D. Not frame. The correct answer is A. No frame. Question 80. In frameset element, dash attribute is used to split the browser windows horizontally. A. Row, B. Call, C. Rows, D. Calls. The correct answer is C. Rows. Question 81. In frameset element, dash attribute is used to split the browser windows vertically. A. Row, B. Call, C. Rows, D. Calls. The correct answer is D. Calls. Question 82. Dash is used to tell the browser that a frame should fill whatever space is left over in the browser window. A. Percentage, B. Ampersand, C. Star, D. Dollar. The correct answer is C. Star. Thanks for watching. Wish you all the very best for your test.
Thank you so much, Risha. So now, today's task for other students event, description box contain link for online test. Solve it and post your mark in the comment section of this video lecture. Get going everyone. That is all for the day. Thanks everyone.